Okay, most of what I'm hearing is in cloud. I might get a CG out of it. Not a strong storm by any means, pretty weak. There was a flash, but contrast is rubbish again. Finally. But did I get it? There's always one who ignores all the thunder for the last 20 minutes or so. The tiny little one. Might have been closer than what I thought. Probably got chopped though. Didn't pulse much. Oh, that was nice. It's just about over my house actually. Saw that. Oh, I might have missed that one. It shifted a bit more east. It'll be clear in about 15 minutes. Well, if there's lightning there, you wouldn't see it. Breaking sky to the west now. Be all over in 5 minutes. Got lovely contrast, but I just don't think that's gonna... Yeah, if we get a pile, it'd be good, but I don't think we're going to get any, actually. Okay, we've got the second line coming in. It's a bit of a squall line, this one. It's got quite a chunk of lightning in it, but we're in an area that it's going to be hard to see it until it's right on top of us. You can see the top of the bolts, but unfortunately that fog bank is masking everything. I might just zoom right in. Let's see what we can get. You can see a little strike of lightning then. It's a little stick. when this squall comes through, it's going to pick up that cloud. Look at that, pulsing bolts. I think some of them are starting to become a bit more visible. Not that one though. Almost constant thunder. Probably another 10 minutes and we should see them coming down on the front of the range. Pity about the car noise. Okay, focused on the Quarry Pass area, because that's the area where the ranges are furthest back. Ooh, that was nice. Yeah, that one's in front. Fog bank's starting to clear away a bit there. Doesn't seem to be coming as quickly as I thought. It might be sliding southeast. got mid-level inflow actually. That darker cloud that's at the top of the frame. Could be something going on towards our northwest that we just can't see. The cloud to ground bolts has seemed to have disappeared. Boy, oh boy, is it black out there. Oh. The opposite direction to what we're looking. It's pretty much just due south of us. We're looking west northwest. Here comes the wind. Certainly gone dead lightning wise compared to what it was when it was further back. Stumpy little CG then. Way off 15-20 kilometres. One in the rain then. I've got 5 minutes. The cockies are leaving. They've had enough. They're seeking shelter. Another one right behind us. You can see the white line on the lake now. There's squally rains coming through.